If you guys want to know how to do this glitch, I'm going to tell you how to do the glitch. Okay, so first, you'll want to go into a game. Then, click your Oculus button. Go to browser. Click YouTube. Then click Five Nights at Freddy's song. Whatever song you want. It doesn't have to be my song that I have selected. But, and there you go. You have it. Now sometimes this glitch might not work. So okay, so I have to restart this glitch. So if you guys ever want to do this glitch, make sure to like and subscribe. Teach you more. But yeah, I probably am just gonna play Capuchin. This is not the actual Capuchin, because the trailer got updated, pictures got updated, so yeah. Yeah, I guess it got updated. Are you guys ready? Ready. Ready, guys? I'm gonna turn on the soundboard. Remember, go in here to the browser, click YouTube, and click the song you want to pick.